everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is my beauty channel. If you're new here, my name is Josephine and I do a lot of tutorials, first impressions, reviews, how-to videos, everything pretty much. So if you're not already subscribing to my channel, I would really suggest you to do that. Just click the button down there. And today we're going to unbox the Lookfantastic beauty box. It's a monthly subscription where you receive a box with around 5-6 products, I think. I have a link in the description. If you use that, I think you get some % off. Yeah, something like that. But I will write it down in the description. If you want notifications every time I upload a new video, you can click the bell and turn them on, and like, comment, all of that. But with no further ado, let's unbox this box. So this is the box. It's the box of August, I think. So we have this coral, orange, pinkish box. Pretty. And this looks a bit different than the Glossy and Goodiebox. So we have a little text here. Do more of what makes your soul radiate. LF Beauty Box. Yeah, this smells, so I hope it hasn't leaked. A magazine. I think these usually looks different, but I haven't received one of the actual magazines yet. Okay, and that's how it's looking. So we just unwrap it a bit, then we take one product at a time, no sneak peeking. It really smells, so I think something has leaked. First product. So first we have a mineral body lotion, Dead Sea Water, Ahava Active Dead Sea Minerals, 40 milliliters. Pamper yourself with this body lotion for soft and smooth skin. Approved for sensitive skin. Mineral body lotion. Let's smell it. If it's not sealed, no. Yeah, okay, this smells a lot. I think this is the product who smells in the box. Yeah, that feels good. The scent is very strong. So if you're sensitive to scented products, I wouldn't recommend that. I don't think this is a full size, but it still will last you a while, so that's good. Product number 2 is a Me Clear Cleanser Sun Drenched Body Wash from Mio. Okay, also a smaller size, I guess. 30 milliliters. Apply to wet skin in the shower or bath. Massage to release the creamy foam. Rinse well. Okay, a bit small, but okay. I'm not usually using these kinds of products in the shower, but we'll give it a try. So what do we have here? Caudalie Paris. Vino Perfect Radiance Serum Complexion Correcting. All skin types, 10 milliliters, so also a very small size. Apply morning and evening before moisture. Not so fun products this month. And what is this? Percy Reed Hair. I Believe in Miracles. Perfectly Perfecting Wonder Balm, 30 milliliters. Very cute packaging. This is a miracle leave-in balm. Preps and primes your hair in readiness for all styling products and techniques. It makes your regular styling products work wonders, giving you more control and better results that last longer. Plus, it protects from frizz and humidity for up to 72 hours. Just imagine 3 days frizz-free. Perfect. This I will definitely try. I have very frizzy hair, standing everywhere. Yeah, apply to towel dried hair, working from roots to ends to prep hair for styling. Can also be worked sparingly into dry style hair to maximize definition. I don't think this is a full size either, but it's still a good amount, so definitely going to try that. Next product is Black Magic Mascara Drama Curl Black from Ico. I have something similar to this. Yeah, this one. Is it the same? Yeah, it's the same. So I'm not going to open that. I will probably give it away to someone. I didn't like this so much. I think it made them, yeah, you know, look spidery. Fun to receive makeup always, but just not that particular product. So I think we only have one more product, and this is a mineral blush from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. Mineral blush in the shade Amaretto. So that's the shade. I already have this as well. So I don't know if I have it here. I haven't tried it yet. If it's good, then I will save it. But if it's not, I will give this one away. So I won't open this either. But I love makeup, so it's still fun. We received 4, 5, 6 products. Do we have any description of the products? No, what's in the box? So first we have the mineral blush. Bella Pierre Cosmetics mineral blush in Amaretto, worth €15. This mineral blush will bring a healthy flush of color to your face whilst looking completely natural. Tap a small amount of product into the lid, swirl a blush brush into the product, tapping off any excess and apply it to your cheeks and tip of nose for a rosy glow. And the Quadeli Vino Perfect Radiance Serum, 10 milliliters, worth €15. Worldwide cult favorite, and for good reason. The Quadeli Facial Serum, I think I pronounced that completely wrong, but whatever. This facial serum is packed full of viniferine, patented by Quadeli themselves, and 62 times more effective than vitamin C, and is proven to lighten dark spots in just 4 weeks. Apply before bed onto cleansed skin, massage into the face and neck. And the mascara Aiko. Get long and volumized lashes with the help of your Aiko mascara. With a curved brush to coat each and every lash with product. No smudging, flaking or crumbling. Just black fluttery lashes for up to 12 hours. And then we have the Hava Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. Sea Kissed Mineral Body Lotion. 40 milliliters. Worth €8. Deeply hydrating and fast absorbing. These Ahava body lotions work to soften and smoothen your skin from head to toe. Filled with minerals and antioxidants. Your body will feel revitalized, refreshed and restored. Perfect for sensitive skin, free from parabens and harsh synthetic ingredients. Apply generously to slightly damp skin after bath or shower. Okay. Mio Sun Drenched Body Wash, 30 milliliters, worth €3.15, with a delightful citrusy scent and subtle shimmer running throughout. Deeply hydrate your skin with this Mio body wash. Formulated with Indian fig extract and monk's pepper berry to give an instant soothing effect for both the mind and body. Lather onto your skin in the shower and feel rejuvenated for the day ahead. And the Percy and Reed Perfecting Wonder Balm, 30 milliliters, worth €8. A miracle primer for your hair. Use alone or before styling to enhance your dew. This Percy and Reed balm makes your hair more manageable as well as adding moisture, shine and definition. Work a small amount through towel dried hair from root to tip. So a bit unfortunate that I already tried some of these products or I already own them. That will probably happen more than once because I subscribe to 3 different beauty boxes and these indie brand, new brands and all the brands one box often work with all of the boxes. So it's not something uncommon, and I've seen that, you know, the same products circulate in the boxes. A bit unfortunate, but it's going to happen, and I accept that. It's a good thing if you actually like the products that you get more of, but in this case I'm not overly happy about it, but it's fine. So yeah, that's the box, and this is a very short video, I know. As it looks right now, these videos of mine isn't very popular. The Lookfantastic ones, it seems like you appreciate the Goodiebox unboxings the most, and I'm actually going to record after this my thoughts about Goodiebox because I'm a bit disappointed of them, and be sure to watch that video. That's everything for today, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell if you want notifications every time I upload a new video. See you in the next video. Bye!